85% of your child's brain growth is complete by age 3. It's an important time for your toddler to get DHA. Your toddler's brain contains omega-3 fat, and most of that fat is DHA, an important building block of the brain. DHA is found in fatty fish such as salmon and Atlantic mackerel, as well as DHA-enriched toddler nutritional drinks. Iron is also important during these early stages. It helps build red blood cells and carries oxygen throughout the body. Calcium is also essential, as it helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Now, cow's milk is a good source of calcium and protein, but bear in mind that it's low in iron and most milks do not have DHA. To help ensure your child is receiving important vitamins naturally, the color system works as a great gauge. So simply put, the more colorful a variety of fruits and vegetables, the wider the rainbow of health benefits.